There's a huge difference between adding value to a conversation or meeting and speaking for the sake of just being heard. There are lots of people in meetings that sometimes they're the loudest or they talk the
Yep.
most, but they're not really adding a whole heck of a lot of value
Yeah.
there. And a lot of people are often surprised to hear it about me, starting my career as a classroom teacher, spending a good number of years in sales leadership, and now leading a communication skills training company and hosting a podcast, that I consider myself to be an introvert. I am not that outgoing, extroverted type of person. And throughout my career, some of the feedback that my leaders had shared with me, that their leaders had shared with them, was that Scott's kind of quiet. He doesn't speak up a lot. And for me, it was getting comfortable kind of pushing myself outside of my comfort zone to make sure that I am contributing and doing so in a way that adds value.